Welcome, thank you for joining me today. We're going to explore Corralejo town. It's in the north of the island of Fuerteventura in the Canary Islands. So we went here as a day trip as part of our recent winter sun holiday. So if you like this type of content or you want to know more about Fuerteventura Island, I highly recommend it as a family holiday spot to go to. If you want to know more of that, I have plenty of other videos in my Travel Hood playlist. So come with us today and check out Corralejo town. We found this beautiful Komodo shop. I think it's called Komodo, like the dragon. It was like a whole treasure trove. It was just like really quirky, really interesting, beautiful jewelry, clothes, bags, homewares as well. So great for all that kind of thing. What ice cream did you get, Alana? Yummy watermelon.
The all information in English, the all knowledge.
So I'm just unpacking. I want to show you what I've got. Fuerteventura. So she said for this to go in the fridge once it's opened, that it's aloe vera juice with spirulina, I think. So algae, not algae, weed. And I got this aloe vera soap with cocoa. We got that one. She said that one's really good for the feet. So we have here, she gave me loads of samples. Face cream. Said they had cream with cereal, so all their products can be found online. And they have all their certificates, being organic, and they have a whole range. Leg gels, muscle creams, face creams, anti-aging, juice drinks to drink, so it's like for internally, for your digestive system, hair stuff as well, and they had men's shaving gel. They said they have an aloe vera factory you can go visit as well. So it'd be interesting if you're they show you in the shop as well. If they could open the aloe vera, show you all about the gel and how they process it. I found it very interesting. Let's see if we can find a little bit of info there. And you can get a better deal at the factory. And they do a tour. So there's their website again. So you can reorder. Give you all the cool scientific information. It's not a cactus, looks like a cactus, but it's actually a lily. Very powerful plant. It holds all its moisture. Cleopatra, only like this. Appreciate it, the value. And it's a great sunburn reliever, and it's a great skin moisturizer. Great for your tool. I got this really cool aloe vera with volcanic exfoliation particles for the body, so moisturizing and exfoliating. It's such a beautiful town to walk around in. There was this guy and he was cleaning up the beach looking for tips, so that was really cool to see him do that. All the seafront cafes are beautiful. It's actually a very romantic little town, I found. Along the harbour they had all these artists, and even on some of the buildings they had beautiful artwork. So they keep the little town really well. Big footpaths and lots of shops and loads of food options, and this is where you can get a ferry over to the other island, Lanzarote, as well. This is where they do all the tours if you want to book any kind of catamaran, boat tours or dolphin watching. So it's so much for kids. I think they have jet skis and water sports back as well, but there's better water sports down at the sand dunes. So later in the video I'm going to show you that we went over to the sand dunes, which is this beautiful beach. Like, you really think you're in the most tropical place, and it's just so close to Europe. It's amazing. I feel Europe has everything. These beaches are incredible. You feel like you're in the Arabian desert or something. It's just sand for miles. It's beautiful. So around the town, there's a couple of like more rocky beaches down on the west end of the harbour, and then east towards the town and towards the sand dunes they have some beautiful like sandy coves that are really gentle waves, great for children and for bathing. So Corralejo town has loads and loads of little beaches, so you can literally walk the whole harbour stretch past the town, along all the beaches and out onto the sand dunes. It's a really long walk, but definitely recommend it. Be a long full day pretty much, or maybe like realistically if you're walking without kids you'll get it done in 2 hours. It's beautiful, and they have the whole harbour done up, and the beaches are sandy. If you go to a restaurant called Waikiki Bar, that has a lovely sandy beach there as well, one of the town beaches. And here we had our own Alana was Madonna on the rocks looks like, so kids can have so much fun. We had like a jogging trail, bike trail, and like exercise equipment. So a lot of people I think live in the town and must be very happy with all those facilities on site. There's so much to do in Corralejo town. There were so many surfers out and about, like everywhere along the harbour, loads of surfers. It's people out walking their dogs, so I'd say it's very dog friendly. There were lots of like vans, like van life was there as well, parked up down along the harbour. And then they had, for kids, they have this tourist train that you can get on and view the whole little town, and it's like a road train. It's like a fake little mini train. Recommend that. They had like arcades for kids. They had like trampoline rides, just everything. But still, the town remains really, really classy and really like elegant and not high rise. It still remains its own character, and the one place that has beautiful Canarian character is the Bell Tower. The Bell Tower is like a shopping complex. Brilliant stuff they have there, and they have this cute little carousel. I'm going to bring you along to there now next. And the views, I highly recommend going up to the top of the Bell Tower. So much fun, and the views are incredible. Coming. Oh, I think we can go up higher again. Oh, hold on to your hat. What are they?
Statues.
Whoa.
What do you got? That's how high the bell tower is. Do you think if they saw their hands sticking out, they would not go up to the bell tower ever again, because they thought themselves in the bell tower.
now we are on our way to the sand dune beach, and on our way out there we discovered this quirky, crazy like artist's house. You really need to check that out on your way out there. Very, very unique, brilliant to see. And so on the beach, the sand dune beach, they have like, you can rent sunbeds, and they have like toilet facilities and a little cafe and all, but for miles it's just sand and clear crystal blue water. Fantastic to go visit. Like, you can actually go swimming in there. There's one section that's all windsurfing and water sports and things like that. But a lot of people, you can pull up and they do the jeep safaris, not the jeep safaris, the quad bikes, quad dune buggies. They step out at the sand dunes as well. But the photos are just incredible, and I'd really recommend it. Just sand for miles, so much space around you. Just incredible to see. Really fine sand. It's like sandpit sand that you would get for children. It's really spectacular to see. So I hope you get to experience Fuerteventura. Thank you for watching. Please check out some of my other videos, and I hope to find you back on my Hippie in Heels channel again. Goodbye, ladies. Until next time.